Hello everyone, I'm Jay from TechForce and welcome to the National Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Without going back too much into the history, the Cybersecurity Awareness Month was introduced in 2004 by Department of Homeland in US and National Security Alliance. So this is the 20th anniversary of the Cybersecurity Awareness Month. So what can you do? How can you leverage this for your business? This is a fantastic opportunity to actually promote that security culture in the business, right? One of the best things you could do is train your staff, right? Make them security aware, make them aware of the risks online privacy, being safe online or checking the emails multiple times for phishing attempts and spear phishing, so many things, right? But the bottom line is educate your users, increase those security awareness levels across your organization. That's one of the most important thing, and we see businesses, having breaches just for the lack of it. They could have prevented. You never know, right? But in most cases, they could have prevented by educating their staff. And other quick wins you could do if you don't have two-factor authentication enabled on your emails or online identity, please do. That will save your bacon one day. And I would look at passwords. I know this is a little bit of a controversial advice. Don't change your passwords often. Instead, have unique passwords for different services, and maybe adopt the culture of using password managers in your business, right? Don't ask me about LastPass. And also look at the access controls for your business. And finally, the software configuration. Remove the software you don't use. What happened with LastPass? One of the DevOps engineer, he had a Plex software running on his BYOD device. Again, BYOD, that brings in another question of what policies do you have for bringing your own devices? If an employee is using their own device, especially now employees are working from everywhere, if they're using their own device, what's your security policy around that? Have some backups. Well, you need to back up your data, right? When things go south, that's what it saves you, right? What else you could do apart from these security advice as part of the Security Awareness Month? Maybe book in a webinar. Maybe have some of your brand ambassadors come on this webinar, educate about security, bring in an external speaker or somebody. We're always open to speak to you, no charge, right? And also maybe get that security review done. You've been talking about, do that security gap analysis, or maybe achieve the baseline security controls. Cyber Essentials is a great framework. Or you can align yourself with NIST or CIS, whatever floats your boat, right? So I hope that helps. If you need any further information or if you need any help, please do get in touch. I'll leave the links below, and I wish you all the best.